welcome back to my channel. Butterfly Beauty 13 here. Today I am going to be doing a video on Boxy charm. It's my first box that I've ever received. I'm really excited. To be honest, only signed up for the Hank and Henry lipstick, but yeah. So if you guys would like to see what I got in my Boxy charm this month, stick around. So this month's Boxy charm is Wildflower. The first thing that I noticed in my box, because I already did open this and then I wasn't even gonna do this video anymore, but I decided, what the heck, why not, you know. I got these A La Mar eyeshadow brushes, and it's just three, I like to say like standard eyeshadow brushes, not blushes, brushes. You get your big fluffy brush, that's good for like blending, and then you get like a packing brush, and then this brush right here is kind of like a little square brush. I would use that to like do detailing and stuff like that. And this retails for $18. They are synthetic, 100% synthetic fibers. Extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. That is true. If you are someone that's just starting off in makeup and you don't know what kind of brushes to get, these three right here, I'm going to take them out of the packaging so you guys can see them. These three right here are like your essential brushes that you would need. And okay, so the next thing was, like I already mentioned, the Hank and Henry lipstick. I love this. I'm wearing it on my lips right now. It's very lightweight. It's not like a heavy drying formula, which I'm really enjoying. And this is my second time wearing it too, so it's pretty long lasting. The Hank and Henry lipstick retails for $17. Have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented longwear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly. It does, while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented, it is, and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. There's that transfer proof. And then up next, I have the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brightened blush, which is very pretty too. This retails for $28. And it says, add a gorgeous glow, glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. And this retails, like I said, for $28. And I also received the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. And it looks just like this. This liner, I'm not sure how to feel about it because it is a roll-on liner and it has this kind of like applicator, so I'm not too sure if I'm gonna like it or not. I'm not that good at eyeliner anyways. This retails for $19, and it says, create precise ultra-fine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all of the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with the longevity complex, this quick drying smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. I haven't tried this, so I'm not sure, but when I do try it, I'll let you guys know. Last but not least, I have the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, and this one is the smoky eyeshadow palette, my bad, and it looks just like this. I removed the plastic thingy off there. It looks just like this. The eyeshadows look really pretty. I gave it a try once, but I wasn't really super wowed by it. But maybe it was just me and, you know, like the way I applied the eyeshadows that day. So I'm going to be giving it another try and letting you guys know how that works out. But they do look really pretty. I'm trying to get into like doing like really smoky, like dark eyeshadow looks because it's like almost fall. But normally I don't use those colors, so that's why maybe I wasn't really like wowed by it, you know. But they are really pretty. And the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette retails for $35, so that's pretty good. It's made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxurious, smooth formula makes for an easy blending and long wear. Again, I only tried it once, and I kind of took it off right away because I didn't like the way my eyeshadow was looking. But like I said, maybe that was just me. I'm going to be giving the palette another try. I usually like to give eyeshadow palettes, maybe like, I try them out like 2 or 3 times before I completely disqualify them and say that I don't like them. Because sometimes it's just either the way you're applying the shadows, or sometimes it can be like the concealer or the primer that you use that doesn't really help out the eyeshadows. So that's why I don't completely disqualify them. But after 2 or 3 tries, if they're not working, then I don't like them. And I'll let you guys know about that too. That was a lot of reading. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the box that I got this month. Like I said, this was my first box. I still have the Ipsy subscription, but I decided to give that to my sister and then sign up for BoxyCharm just because I wanted to save a little bit of more money while getting like new makeup and products to try at the same time. And I feel like BoxyCharm is a really good option if you are trying to do that. If you just love makeup in general, like, you're gonna love BoxyCharm. You know, you pay $21 a month, and then you get these like really good deals, because everything in this palette is like, everything in this box is like $17 and above, you know, up to like, what did I say this was, like $35, the eyeshadow palette. I think it's worth it. The products, like I said, I'm really happy with the Hank and Henry lipstick. I love this thing, and it smells so good. And the eyeshadow brushes, I'm gonna give them a good try, as well as with the blush and the eyeliner and the eyeshadow palette. So moving on with like other topics and stuff like that. The reason why I haven't been so active on my YouTube channel is because I've been trying to focus a little more on my Instagram and all of that stuff. So if you guys want to see more creative and bold looks and all that stuff, head over to my Instagram. I'm going to leave the information down below. I do giveaways and all that stuff too. So that is why I have been a little bit more absent from YouTube, because creating videos and all that stuff does take a lot more time, the whole editing process. But I'm still active on my social media. I'm still active on Instagram. I'm doing looks and all that stuff, and trying out product and giving you guys my honest opinions on that as well. So yeah, that is why I've been a little bit absent lately, but I do want to get back on track with my YouTube channel, because I just love makeup, and to be honest, I want to just do YouTube and Instagram and all that stuff, not because I want to get famous, but because I genuinely love makeup and I want to share my passion with the world. And I hope that you guys can see that and like notice that in these videos, you know. So if you guys would like to see any products being shown here, and like I said, I give 100% back my honest feedback on those products. If you guys would like for me to try out some I went on a big ramble right there. If there's some products that you guys would like to see me try and give you guys some honest feedback on them, please let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so you guys can be notified of whenever I upload new videos or post or anything like that on YouTube. Until next time, bye!